At number 1, we have the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Capture every detail with stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording. Its Starvis 2 sensor delivers incredible clarity, even in the dark. Share your footage instantly with the fastest 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Download, manage, and post to social media in seconds using the ROVE app. Protect your investment 24/7. The built-in G-sensor automatically locks footage of collisions or theft attempts while you're away. Setting up is a breeze with our easy DIY installation guide. Everything you need is in the box. ROVE R2-4K Dual. The ultimate dash cam for ultimate peace of mind. Get yours today. At number 2, we have the TERUNSOUl 4K Dual Dash Cam. The ultimate guardian for your journeys. Capture every detail in stunning 4K front and rear recording. This isn't just footage, it's crystal clear evidence. Drive with confidence 24/7. Its advanced night vision with enhanced WDR turns darkness into daylight. Share your road trips instantly. Dual-band Wi-Fi and a simple app let you edit and post footage in seconds. It's ready to go right out of the box with a 128 GB memory card included. Just plug it in and drive, and right now, get it for 40% off. Over 10,000 drivers have already upgraded their peace of mind. Don't wait for an incident to wish you had a better dash cam. Click the link to get the TERUNSOUl 4K Dual Dash Cam today.
At number 3, we have the REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam. Struggling to see at night? Its super night vision with HDR technology captures sharp details, even in the darkest conditions. Get crystal clear 4K front and 1080p rear recording. No detail is too small to miss. Stay focused on the road, control the dash cam with just your voice or a simple touch on the screen. Sharing footage is a breeze with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. 6. Download a 1-minute video in just 8 seconds. It's an all-in-one solution with built-in GPS for tracking your route and speed and a G-sensor that auto-saves footage in an accident. Plus, protect your vehicle 24/7 with the 48-hour parking monitor. Easy to install and packed with features, the REDTIGER F7N is the ultimate guardian for your car.
At number 4, we have the PRUVEEO D94CH, the ultimate 360-degree guardian for your vehicle. Get complete peace of mind with 4-channel recording, capturing every angle, front, rear, sides, and even the interior of your car in full HD. Its super night vision with an f1.8 aperture and infrared lights ensures crystal clear footage day or night. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you easily share footage, while the GPS logger precisely tracks your location and speed for foolproof evidence. And with 24-hour parking mode, your car is protected around the clock without draining the battery. PRUVEEO D94CH comes with everything you need to install and start recording. It's the all-in-one protection you deserve.
At number 5, we have the 70mm Dash Cam M300, or is it the M310? Either way, capture every detail in stunning 1296p QHD, covering 3 lanes of traffic with ease. From bright daylight to pitch black nights, advanced WDR and night owl vision deliver outstanding clarity. Number 2, the built-in G-sensor automatically locks footage in the event of a collision, so your evidence is always protected. Number 1, get 24-hour smart parking surveillance. It records collisions and uses time-lapse to save storage. Requires hardwire kit. Plus, connect instantly via Wi-Fi to control your cam and share footage in seconds. This is the 70mm Dash Cam M310.